Hello everyone, and welcome to our weather update on the 28th of June 2024. So today, Friday, we are seeing quite a cloudy morning in all areas with some shower rain in the north. Through the afternoon though, these showers will become more confined to the north, and we should see sunshine quite widely, especially in the north, east, and Midlands. And to the afternoon, though, we'll see cloud building in the west and southwest, followed by some rain in the evening. This rain mainly light at first, but getting more moderate towards nightfall. Overnight, though, we'll see this rain pushing in from the west, mainly over the southern two-thirds of the country, so anywhere south of the line from Dundalk over to the Galway Mayo border, we'll see some rain tonight. Some heavy bursts around, especially over the south of the country there. Tomorrow morning, Saturday, we'll start off with that rain over the south of the country that will very slowly push away southwards through the day, but really lingering for quite a while in the far south, only really clearing the southeast by about 6 p.m. or so. And then overnight into Sunday, we see a night of clear skies and some cloud pushing down into the north. Now Sunday we see quite a cloudy morning, but through the afternoon it should go sunny, especially in the west there, and then these bright skies should push eastwards into the evening. It follows into Sunday night. It follows through Sunday into Monday by some more cloud and rain actually coming in from the west. So it's a very mobile pattern where we see some rain and then a dry spell, and then some rain and a dry spell. Just very, very changeable, very mixed pattern. And by Monday afternoon, as that rain does clear to the UK, we see some sunshine, and then into Tuesday. Actually, Tuesday looks quite nice, especially early on, but cloud does build in the afternoon, and into Wednesday we see this next area of rain coming in. So a very mobile, changeable westerly pattern here. But I think that there should be some nice days in the mix here, like today, possibly Sunday and Tuesday. Anyway, so here is the UKV. UKV is like this. Here is the UKV temperature forecasts. So today's highest temperatures will reach around 14 to 18 Celsius. That is northwest to southeast. Obviously, best of sunshine in the east, so therefore we'll see the highest temperatures there. Into tonight, we'll see quite a chilly start in Ulster tomorrow morning because of clear skies, but elsewhere lows of around 10 to 14 Celsius, very mild with the rain. Now on Saturday, we'll see different temperatures. So in the south, where we're sort of ahead of that front, we've got a warmer air mass. So although it's cloudy and murky, it's quite warm and muggy, up to possibly 18 Celsius in the far south of the country, like say South Cork, and then also behind the rain in Connacht and Ulster, up towards 16 or 17 Celsius. And these temperatures these temperature zones will gradually push southwards through the day, if you see what I mean here. And into Sunday morning, again, Sunday starts off quite chilly, especially down in the south, lows of around 5 to 10 degrees south to north. And then through Sunday, highest temperatures of around 12, so I'd say about 14 in Ulster and Connacht, up to around 18 Celsius in South Leinster and Munster. Into Monday morning, it's lots of mild. By afternoon, again, highs of around 14 to 18 Celsius north to south. And into Tuesday, it starts off quite chilly, especially in the south, and then by afternoon we're seeing highs in, again, quite widely, say about 16 to 18 Celsius, and through to Wednesday morning it starts off again a bit chilly towards the south and east, but milder for the west, and that is because we see rain pushing in there from the west. Here is the NAO, next observation forecast. So we're currently very positive with the index. Yeah, that's a yes. Actually, let me just update this. Yeah, it hasn't it has not updated since June 24th. I thought it looks a bit strange. Yes, but either way, if this is correct, like bang on correct, we'd be around here. So we're still positive, but not as positive as we were like back last week, for example. And then into July, the NAO will gradually go less positive, but it does mean that the Azores High will be close enough. But as you know, it won't be fully settled. There will be some bounds. There will be some areas of rain at times, but it shouldn't be as cold as it was through early June with the blocking and therefore the negative NAO like we saw over here. So here is the GFS midnight run. So midnight runs like this. So again, this low yesterday brought some very strong winds actually, very gusty day, and then into today we're seeing a dry day with some lighter winds thankfully and hopefully some sunshine, and into tomorrow Saturday, well, this trough comes through that brings some rain especially towards the south of the country. Now into Sunday, that clears through. Sunday is drier, a little transient rich, and into Monday though, by Monday again we're westerly, some more areas of rain coming through. Into Tuesday, Wednesday, well, we see a deepening low to our north, and that brings stronger winds and further heavy showers or areas of rain. That low does sort of pull away into next weekend, but it's still westerly, northwesterly, and actually by the end of next weekend, we see this next low coming in, so it just goes, it stays quite unsettled up until July 10th, really. By that point, we're seeing the Azores High building in, and that brings a warm and dry spell, thankfully. That low might bring some instability by July 12th, though, and then we go further on, and it just looks quite nice, really, with a very nice extension from the Azores High all the way through Ireland, the UK, up towards Scandinavia. Though by July 14th, there is a little trough, a very shallow trough over us, and that might bring through showers, storms, but in general, if that comes off, that'd be very nice. But it's a long way off still, and there's a lot to get through before we get to that. If that actually comes off, obviously. So here is the ECM. ECM's like this again. Tomorrow, that little shallow trough of low pressure will bring some rain with it to the south. In the north, it should be quite a nice day. Into Sunday. Sunday is a nice day for most areas. Little ridge there, but by Monday again, next area of rain does come through. And into Tuesday, Wednesday, possibly Tuesday's drier, and by Wednesday we're west again, with this trough of low coming in, and it just stays westerly, it stays wet, and increasingly unsettles into the end of the week, into the weekend here. Not looking great. Yeah. Here's the GEM. GEM is like this. Again, transient low tomorrow, kinda, before before Sunday it's a transient ridge, and then through Monday it's a more general area of low with westerly winds, and into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and so on. We actually increasingly see that low getting more and more involved. It's getting deeper, more rain with that. So yes, turning much more unsettled into the first week of July. Especially, I'd say, from Wednesday onwards, next Wednesday onwards, it'll be a lot more unsettled, plenty of rain, and some strongest at times, but hopefully not as strong as they were yesterday, but really not looking good. Here is the UK Met run, so again, little low tomorrow, mainly for the south. In the north, it should be quite a nice day. Into Sunday, Sunday is quite a nice day for all areas. From Monday, we see that this next low come through that little system here. And into Tuesday, Tuesday's quite nice actually. Before on Wednesday, again, next low comes through. But I think out of all the runs, no, forget that. I was going to say out of all the runs, this run looks the most settled. Yes, as I say, for a time it does, but by Friday, I can see there's a system coming through, and that will probably bring rain through, so yeah. Here's the icon run icon. Again, that little low through tomorrow, followed by a ridge on Sunday, and into, so really, today is Sunday, and then Tuesday, possibly, a quite nice day. It's just make the most of them, because beyond that, I think we're just very westerly. Yeah, like deep low coming through the Thursday, Friday, and another one forms. It's gonna get a lot wetter. Here is the arpege, last but not least. Again, as we know, little low coming through there. Pretty innocuous, but some rain at times. Into Sunday. Sunday again. Sunday, make the most of it there. Because into Monday we see a bit more rain in the morning, and then Tuesday Transient Ridge. But I think that if we go forward anymore, we'd see this low deepening and then pushing down here. So and that would bring obviously a much more unsettled spell. Everyone, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.